products I've been using for cleaning. The simple green for basic cleaning. Not a lot. I use a rag to a little corner. Not always needle, but this is pretty grungy. Naptha Zippo for the adhesive stuff, stickers and grungy sticking stuff. Same thing with this is 99% alcohol, isopropyl. You gotta be careful with the isopropyl alcohol. It's known as a solvent, and I'll do a little test just in case your finishes using 99% alcohol. Just be careful. Of course, the polish is for the frets. Got this little Deoxit applicator, needle applicator, a little concentrated bottle. It's great, keeps waste down. And overspray, you don't have to worry about overspray. It's going to be new electronics and pickups. So this time, for this modification, I decided not to upgrade to locking tuners. Locking tuners kind of bother me as far as alternate tunings. So I decided to keep these. Those are the Fender branded. Leave a comment below if you feel the same way about locking tuners, about alternate tunings. Pistachio shell. Used as a shim. And low E. What's that? Toothpicks. I guess those are shims too. Toothpicks. Okay. What's this? Oh, it's another toothpick. So for this modification, I decided to replace the pickguard, pickups, and the electronics. Decided to use a black pickguard instead. I've always liked the black and red combination. Ever since I saw Brad Gillis in the Hot Licks video back in the 80s when he had that vintage Strat that he totally butchered. But I always loved that color combination, black and red. So I learned this black light inspection through Trogley's and a few other luthier channels on YouTube. Helps you spot out the crack, breaks, someone's poor repair jobs. So normally I wear gloves, as you can see why. I don't know why I'm not during this point. Discovered that this guitar must have got wet or someone spilled the beer on it. It didn't smell, thank God. I didn't want to sand it off, but the rust embedded into the finish there. You can see like a water stain and liquid stain around the pickguard there. But the electronics seem fine. Didn't seem like they got wet or anything like that, or the neck here. Date is July 3rd, 2013. In another video, you'll see me, there's a ding in the neck, corner, and I repair it. It'll be a separate video, which I use hot iron, an old soldering iron, a damp cloth, and you steam out the dent. So yeah, I decided to replace this neck plate. I'll keep it. It's not that bad. I could have cleaned that rust right off, but I wanted the F logo for Fender logo, so I got one of those. And you can see the water damage around that screw hole there, or liquid, or whatever it is. But it didn't seem like there's any kind of water damage, just around the bridge and the neck plate there. Like I said, I decided to replace this whole loaded pickguard. They are Texas specials, by the way. You can see the water damage, or some kind of liquid that either sweat or... And yeah, this is the point where I normally use gloves during my cleaning of pre-owned instruments like this. I don't know why I didn't at the beginning of this. Totally forgot about it. But there you are. I suggest always use gloves when you get pre-owned instrument. You don't know where it's been. Use a little bit of the simple green. I don't get the rag saturated. I just get it a little damp. A little goes a long way. Stuff is good, strong enough, and it's mild enough. You can see some kind of water damage, rust underneath the, you can see right there, it's really bad. It's not so bad that that thing is falling apart, and it's just more surface rust. So this is known as a American Special candy apple red finish. Yeah, you can see that liquid water damage or whatever. Someone spilled the beer, somebody's having a good time. Didn't smell though, so I don't think it was a beer. Yeah, so I tried my hardest to get that rust off. I didn't want to use sandpaper. I didn't want to redo, I didn't want to refinish anything. I did the best I could. So I decided to use Vega-Trem for the first time, and I am extremely happy. I think it's one of the greatest inventions. I have a couple things that are kind of on my mind about sustain, and the feel of strings seem to be really slinky. Decided to go for Seymour Duncan's psychedelic Strat set, which are just essentially late 60s style Strat pickups. And I'm using Tone Shaper product again. I'll leave links in the description for all this stuff, or most of this stuff. I've used Tone Shaper product before. It is pretty good. Like I said, I'm replacing the neck plate. I'm keeping all the parts in case I want to bring back the guitar to the original spec. So, it's been about a week and a half since I recorded the beginning of this project. Came up to a standstill because I was looking at this pickguard that I ordered initially. But what bothered me about the whole thing is the white 3-ply, the white and the black. I don't know if you could tell, but probably not on this camera. But I kept on looking at it. I was like, man, kind of looks like that white is semi-translucent, and that black is like bleeding into the color of the white. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, it's a little deep there. But it bothered me, man. And I was like, it's made in China. Yeah, it looks cheap. The white in this bothered me. So, appropriately reordered German parts. Even got a little sticker on each side. And look at the difference of the white. Here, let's get this up here. Can you see it? I mean, yeah, maybe the plastic is giving a little tint to it, but I swear this the fender, the white and black, the 3-ply is more refined. The white is opaque. Can't really see that. So I had to reorder because of that white I showed you. So onward with modification.